Hello, children. Good morning and welcome to our new chapter of English grammar. Children, today we'll start chapter number 15, joining word and. Children, joining word means the word which is used to join two different words or two different sentences. Like we say now, mango and apple. It is joining mango and apple both. We say Ram is playing and Meera is studying. So it is joining again two sentences. Ram is playing and second sentence is Meera is studying. So this is called joining word. Now let's see our first page. Do you remember the rhyme Jack and Jill? You all must have studied this poem in LKG or UKG. Jack and Jill went up the hill, right? So what you have to do, you have to complete the rhyme by filling in the blanks. Okay, somewhere blanks are given, you have to fill it by recalling the rhyme. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Here we see that wherever there is blank, I have written and, because this is joining either two words or two sentences. Okay, children? Now I have given definition of joining word. Let's see. A conjunction. Joining word is also known as conjunction. Okay, children? So a conjunction is a word that join words and sentences together. A conjunction is a word that join words or sentences together. For example, I like to eat bread and butter. Here, bread and butter is joined. Sam and Anu are playing in the park. Again, Sam and Anu together they are playing in the park. Now, moving ahead, we'll see page number 73. Look at the pictures and read the sentences below. Children, everyone look into your book. See the first picture. Here, a picture of boy and a girl. And what is written? The boy and the girl are wearing hats. See the picture? A boy and a girl is there and both are wearing hats. So sentence will be the boy and the girl are wearing hats. See the second picture? Rana and John are good friends. Again in this picture, two persons are there, Rana and John, and they are good friends. So sentence framing will be Rana and John are good friends. Now, the word and joins two words or two sentences. This is the definition of joining words or conjunction. Now, here the exercise starts. First one, question number A. Circle the joining word and. One has been done for you. Here pictures are given and sentence is written about the given picture. What you have to do? You have to circle the joining word and. See the first picture? A bat and a ball. So and is circle. Next picture, a table and a chair. Again you have to circle and. Next picture is of a cat and a rat. Again you have to circle and. A pencil and an eraser. Again you have to circle and. I think you all must have understood. So let's move on. Question number B. Look at the pictures and make pairs using and. Now what you have to do? You have to see the picture and frame a sentence using and. One has been done for you. First picture is done. In the same way you have to complete all the pictures. See the first picture, we can see a cat and a dog. And what is written? A cat and a dog. Understood? In the same way, see the second picture. A girl and a boy is there. So what we will write? We'll write a boy and a girl. In the same way, next picture is of moon and stars. So we'll write moon and stars. Next, we can see frog and snake. So we'll write a frog and a snake. Done, children? Understood, everyone? Now, next page is of fun time. In this, what you have to do? You have to see the picture and match it with correct pairs. Draw lines to match the objects that go in pairs. Pairs means like bat and ball, moon and stars. These all are called pairs. So you have to match it in pairs. See the first picture. First picture is of a cup. So we'll match a cup with saucer. Next picture is of bread, where we will match bread with butter. Next is of needle. We'll match it with thread, a needle and a thread. And last picture is of lock. We'll match it with key, lock and key. So children, this was your chapter. Now some homework I have given. Read the chapter carefully, and second one is do page number 73 and 74 in book. Okay children, so read the chapter very carefully. It's very easy chapter, and do the exercises in book. Thank you.